YouTube? Merrick is back here. Bring you guys a video. Today's gonna be like a day in the life / ride along with Murticus. It's currently 1 o'clock and we're gonna go do some roadside assistance jobs, make some money, and I'll just kind of, you guys will tag along, see how what I do and just how everything operates. So we're on to our first client. The lady needs a tire put on the wheel, and then we also have a lockout for a good friend of mine, so we got to go hit that as well. All right guys, stuck in traffic, gotta go to DC to help my friend out. I got another person, this is how far I am. I got another person that called me and they need a tire, a spare put on. So I got like 3 people I'm juggling right now, and I also have the wheel in the back. I have to put a tire on the rim. So Moco Roadside / Murticus, that's the company that I run. It's booming. But yeah, you got to be locked in on this traffic, man. It's crazy out here. But thank goodness we got the Prius, because it's good on gas. But yeah, guys, let's get it. All right, guys, we're in Southeast DC. Look at this, crazy. This is the DC you don't see on TV, really. I don't think I've ever seen Southeast DC on TV, unless it's like something bad, unfortunately. But during the day, it's nice, I like it. But that's where my friend is car's at. Don't know why. But yeah, we're gonna go lockpick the car basically, or you know, get the keys from inside. He locked himself out. And yeah, got a nice little basketball court, lots of buses. We got a Trump must go now sticker on the light pole. But yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty chill out here. And yeah, let's go make some money.
Up for sale.
But you look dirty as hell. Look at this thing. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna let you go so I can walk.
Alright, hurry.
Alright.
Alright guys, should be pretty quick. I need one of these, then I need to get my stick somehow. It's like, absolutely covered. Nah, that's fresh. That's fresh.
Oh my god. Yeah, let me get it.
Alright guys, it's 3:54. We got a lady, her tire's blown out, so we're gonna go fix it. Just gotta wait for oncoming traffic to pass us. Should be good now. Good amount of space to do a tire change. It should have, yeah, right here. Get one of these, especially if you're on the highway, so people can see you. Nice and snug. Out the way. It's fall season. Hi. Yeah. No, you're good. You're good. Pretty chill. Her tires. All right, it's done. Let's go get this. This. Luckily the car's in a good spot. A lot of leaves and stuff. It's always a pesky wheel. So when you do roadside assistance, you always gotta be prepared. You never know what to expect. And you gotta think kind of fast. Somewhere I have my rubber mallet. So this is a rubber mallet. Very useful. It's like $5. This thing's a lifesaver. Whenever the wheel's on tight, come underneath. Yeah, this tire's cooked. Let's look at it. It's cooked. And get a pair of gloves. You're gonna need them. You want the wheel in the trunk? Okay. Shout out Ryobi, this thing's sick. Nice little air compressor. How's it going? Awesome. Okay, you can just tap.
Just tap?
Just tap, yep. Awesome. It's all done.
So how do I get my receipt? Is it
I can email.
Okay. Oh, send it on my...
Uh-huh.
Oh, does it have to be email on my phone?
It's email only.
Okay.
All right, guys. Got the tire. This last call of the day. After this, if anyone calls me, it's double price because I just did a lot of work, a lot of driving, drove through a ton of traffic, and I just want to chill. But yeah, let's get this done. That place that I just went to, Paul's Used Tires, probably one of the best used tire shops in terms of value and quality of their work. Definitely the best, and their pricing's like unbeatable. Like, I don't know how they make money. I paid $50 for a used tire, and I'll be happy, the customer will be happy. So let's go get this done. All right, guys, last job of the day. This Cadillac has seen better days. Let me get my light. I gotta clean my car. Yeah, so this Cadillac has definitely seen some better days. The lot of stuff going on in the back, but I'm helping this lady out. Once I fix this, it should be drivable. The other tires are in decent condition, and yeah, it's another thing about roadside. You just don't ask questions, especially if they're paying. Just don't ask questions. So the customer got the same rim. Looks like they look exactly the same. Put that Cadillac limb symbol back on it. So it doesn't look too bad, the damage. And that is not good. Yeah. That might be an issue.
What?
It might not fit.
Why won't it fit?
Um.
God damn it.
Yeah.
Damn well.
I guess because this one was flat, it's just not enough space to put it on.
It wasn't flat though. Could have been flat.
Oh, it was flat. This
No,
tire
I'm
was flat.
saying it couldn't have been flat when whatever I hit. I just drove back here. Now from where I have no idea.
Yeah, gotcha. Fuck.
I'm about to listen to my brother's mouth. Lord.
Yeah, give him a call. Alright, YouTube. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the car, I couldn't get the wheel on. It just didn't fit. The knuckle moved too much forward for the new wheel. So I put the old one back on so she doesn't get towed. Unfortunately, you know, I had to charge her for the service. She thought it was gonna work. I thought it was gonna work too, but you know, you live and you learn. And yeah, other than that, I got paid. I did 3 jobs on camera. I actually had some more work, but I didn't have the GoPro with me. But today was a really busy day. It's 5:33, sun's already down. I'm just gonna chill. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little like story walkthrough, I guess, day in the life type vlog. If you guys liked it, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I got tons of other content. I'm looking at getting another project car for the channel. But yeah, a lot of moving pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you on the next one. Marcus out. Peace.